I think we are live. Check on phone. We are live finally. So this is first live stream of 2026 and let me audio is correct. I'm very late like 11:30 रात को 11:30 बजे लाइव आ रहा हूँ मैं और एक्सपेक्ट कर रहा हूँ कि okay, ये न्यू ईयर वाली that YouTube has changed whole interface of live streams like the way right now they have made everything bigger and larger like all the buttons they removed some things you have to scroll down for every edit and see काय करायलास लाईव्ह स्ट्रीम करायलास वय आज आलोय मी 3-4 महिन्यांनी लाईव्ह त्यावर पोस्ट करायला नाही कारण लय दिवसांनी करायला लागले की जरा असं भीती वाटत्या मग जरा पहिला प्रॅक्टिस इन्स्टावर टाकायचं तिथं 6,000 फॉलोअर आहेत जरा आज रात्री झालोय लेट जरा काम करालोय पोरगं झोपल्या tonight we are going to work on a project which I planned very long ago. Hmm, around 6 months ago, where I was trying to build a stream deck. And if it works, then I can turn it into a proper product and I can sell it on Amazon or somewhere. Why? पोरग काय कराले उभी झोप पोरग झोपले काय पाहिजे कॉलेज आहे किल्ला आहे सध्या टाइम टेबल आहे नाही okay there are three people watching me I don't know who you guys what are you doing at night okay so tonight we are trying to build this stream deck so what is a stream deck bye bye so what is a stream deck is like extension of extension for your computer which helps you to handle your live streams you can use it for gaming like to switch scenes you can like just a board or say a tiny keypad uh, with a given set of keys and you can do a lot of things so yeah I'm trying to make this okay first of all let me remove these glasses I can see And here I have my soldering iron. We will start soldering. Give me a second. Oh, so I was searching for polish paper. I'm feeling little bit nervous because I'm live after more than 3 4 months. It's December, right? So yeah, it's been 3 months since I did my most recent live stream. And it's not a planned live stream. I just thought should get started without perfectionism. So my most recent live stream was 2.5 months old. Okay, so uh give you a quick info about this project. So I'm trying to make a stream deck. For a stream deck, we are using these push buttons, bigger ones. Buttons are feels good. Press them, hear the voice, a noise or sound. And then we are using ESP32 with Bluetooth. And I'm thinking of adding this display. I don't know what I'm going to display on this OLED display, but yeah, I will use this display right here. We will do all the soldering, the uh, coding, and as it's going to be wireless, we will add batteries to it. So when I press this button, it will work like this. When I press this button, it will change the camera. Like suppose I have two cameras, right? I have two cameras and I want to use only one of them. Suppose I want only this camera, this one. So when I press this button, it will switch to. When I again press this button, switch to this camera, just like Alt tab. So we can add different combinations of these, like Control A, Control, or anything like Control C, Control V. We can create this Control C, Control V. Then okay, yeah, we can switch cameras. परत ठेवतोस काय बघ तिकडेच हे ठेव. Okay, so we can use this to switch cameras. If you are a gamer, we can use this to like reload your gun. Can be anything. So basically extension for your keyboard. So I was thinking of using ESP32 with HID support. So what is a HID support? uh, Basically a ESP32 which can be used as a and mouse and keyboard. Like it can directly give uh, key presses, like key inputs. I don't know how to explain this, but I know what I'm talking. But right now I don't have ESP32 with HID support, so we are going to connect it through Bluetooth. Then it will send some signals. Then there will be a Python script which will decode the signals, and then it will make the computer press the keys. Okay, you got it. मतलब कि जहाँ यहाँ अगर मैं बटन प्रेस करूँगा तो यहाँ से यहाँ सिग्नल जाएगा, फिर यहाँ से ब्लूटूथ से लैपटॉप में जाएगा, फिर लैपटॉप में एक VS कोड में एक स्क्रिप्ट रन होगी पाइथन में। फिर वो स्क्रिप्ट जो ये इसने जो भी सिग्नल भेजा है उस सिग्नल को डिकोड करेगी कि क्या भेजा है। फिर अकॉर्डिंग टू दैट जो भी बटन हमें प्रेस करना होगा प्रेस हो जाएगा. So when I press this, it will change the scene, or suppose when I press this, it will reload your gun in your game. So yeah, this is called Stream Deck. I'll show you one or two decks, and we will use AI for almost everything. Stream Deck. I have searched Stream Deck and wait. So right now I'm trying to switch scenes here, but I'm doing it manually using mouse. But we will do it using Stream Deck. Okay, I don't want copyright. Okay, check this out. I was trying to show you Stream Deck. So this thing is called a Stream Deck, and it costs a lot. Not that much, but yeah, it costs a little bit more. Stream Deck. Some people call it like, I heard it, something pad, keypad. No, not really keypad, but it's like extension for your keyboard. Okay, I'll show you one more. Steam Deck. This thing cost 27,000. Okay, this one is like really advanced. This one cost 15,000. Where's the cheapest one? 17, 7,000, 13,000, 7,000. Stream Deck under 5,000. Bro, it's giving prices in dollars. Under 5,000. Okay, so the cheapest one I found right now is 3,000. Let's try doing it. 3,000. 2,192. Then we have, nah, I think the cheapest one is for 2,000. So, and that's a basic one. So in this live stream I'll try to build one myself. Okay, so I think you got the purpose of this whole thing, what I'm trying to do. Okay, let's do this. Let's start with soldering this. Hmm. I need to start stream like I use. Yo guys, can you hear my voice and everything? Please let me know in the comments. I think this is my, okay, yeah. This is my first project in 2026 and first live stream too. I got the code and connections from ChatGPT, but I'm going to do some modifications there. Let's do all the necessary connections. Not sure if I'm going to use wires or just solder this whole board. I don't think I can. Yeah, I've soldered this ESP32. I have to connect wires. Display, or should I leave some space for like a button or potential? Should I connect this display here and a button here? Leave some space between and add this display way outer part of this board and add some extra buttons or potentiometer here. Have space for connection or maybe for wires. Now bro, I done for need to do some. I don't think I. Okay, so I need to connect all the ground pins. See the ground. Okay. I solder this all or should I just use wires to make connections? Okay, I'll just use connecting wires because I don't want to spend so much time soldering these 2 points, then three together, then fourth and fifth one, and then ground for this display. So instead, I'll just use a black wire. Time is money. Oh, same guy gonna spend 2 hours scrolling reels. This is the wire. Hello, Samir edits. Hello. SP pins are that you don't need any resistor, extra pull-up resistor. What are you making? Bro, you ever heard about Stream Deck? Like Stream Deck. Suppose you are live streaming and you have to switch the cameras or you have to switch the scenes. Maybe you want to up your volume, down your volume, or it can be anything. Suppose you are gaming and you want to switch your weapon using like something, some keys. So this thing is you press this button and it will reload your gun. Press this button, it will switch your weapon. So it's a stream deck. Take it as a extension of your keyboard. You can set some keys here, and when you press like this, if suppose I have set uh, Alt tab, and when I press this, it gives signal to my laptop that Alt tab is pressed, and it will switch the slides. So yeah, expensive. The cheapest one I found on the internet right now for 2000 rupees. Way more cheap. 350 for 140, and 5 rupees for one. Whole thing cost less than 100. And this is not the final product for myself for fun. Do you do edits or anything like that? Like you. Okay, so you make edits BMW fan, anime edit. Okay, now 93 subscribers. How long a wire should? Okay, I have that cutter, but I like to use my teeth to clip the wires. I'm taking two. You know what? Not sure if it work. I have to post reel about it because it's been ages since I posted my last reel, and some of the people saying, "Oh, stop my some of my videos viral on how they are." I have to How old are you? Is to ground. Thank you so much for coming on my live stream. I am streaming after very long time, more than 2 months. I was busy with my exams, submission, exams, Viva, all that. I went to my hometown for family, had fun, holidays. Now I'm in. I interested in robot. Started learning robotics. No, then please start. If you are interested, you are 13, and if you start right now, like seriously, have a lot of opportunities. Plus, your projects will be crazy, bro. By the age of like 18 or 5 years, build crazy stuff. One advice from me: try to get exposed to more and more. Exposure is important. You're in a small town, try to visit nearby city, or like not for random things, for take events. Yes, I'm from it. Visit to engineering colleges for tech events, workshops, competitions. Very helpful. Understand what's going on out of your bubble. Will meet new people who are like might help. I started doing this in first year. I had no 12th. I got here in college, started visiting other colleges, the name of competitions and all, and it was fun. Okay, so I have done all the ground connections. Now we do one for our display where I'll go with orange one. Yo, if you don't follow me on Instagram, I post their content there, reels format, because people just watch reels nowadays, including me. Be my mistake. Actually, I was against the uh, short form content. I've been an OG. I was like persisting. I used to hit YouTube shorts, reels at start. I got addicted. I hope you can hear me. Just turn my mic. Your mom, dad sleep. Actually, I live at flat with my mates. Like I'm in college, so I live away from my parents, 50 kilometers away. So my roommate is sleeping in another room, and I'm doing live streaming. And my another roommate is still at college working on a car or say a buggy. Yeah, we are just boys here having, but not for a long time. They are going to graduate. Now I have wires SCL and pin number 21 and 22. And as always, I'm confused between SCL and SDA, like which one is SCL and which one is SDA of ESP32. Pin 21 is SCL or pin 22 is SCL. Oh yeah, I'm confused between I to C means SCL and SDA always. So what I'm going to do is I'll just search for pinout of ESP32 and then we will connect that. 23 3 for RX 21, second and fifth one. And what's going on in Nepal? Guys, are you doing? What about that protest and everything on internet? Gen Z protest. Yeah, buggy. Actually, it's a college funded project. Every year they build this buggy. Big search about it. Search this, and you will understand what they are actually building. They participate in competition where you have to race that buggy in or like off road track, and it costs a lot. I am also going to build similar thing like a car or something next year as my final year project. So now I have to connect LCD. As I said, pin out 21. Okay, 22 is SCL. 22 green one is 22 and this is in class. So you 13 years old and class 10. Is it true? Am I right? खूप दिवसांनी live हो. I was a lot busy with continuous exams, continuous tests, then submission, then Viva, mini projects, search papers. Everything happened last two, yeah, less than 2 months. We had no time to sleep. Hard in autonomous college. Everyone thinks that engineering is so easy in autonomous college, but no. Depends on your college, but still, my college. How was IIT? IIT was lit, bro. It was escape for me. This. I was gonna show all the clips. See, I recorded everything to make a blog, but as usual, I couldn't get time to edit it. Right now, I'm busy with some freelance projects. As you guys know, that I do project outsourcing. So yeah, I'll upload all the clips one by one. I saw a lot of robots, defense equipments, cars, bikes. Okay, that's one part. I spent 3 nights like every evening watching Robo Wars. I was obsessed with Robo Wars that I used to watch every match. But sad thing is, I've been following a team called Blanca Bots from, I don't know, they are from IIT or, but that was my favorite team. They used to play Robo Wars, like they still play, and I've been following them since I got to know about this Robo War thing around like 2016, 17. So I've been following them for 6, 7 years easily. Yeah, I met them. I was there one or two matches, and when was their final match, 60 kg category, my friends were like, your friend using his buggy like motor or engine. Actually, there are two categories: electric engine, like one is electric and one is like I don't know what we call that, normal engine one. So yeah, they are from mechanical department. If you guys can see this, so they are from mechanical department. They are participating in engine thing, that category. But if you want, you can participate in e-baha, which is for electric vehicle. So what I was talking about, Blanca Bots. So Blanca Bots is a team. They participate in Robo Wars, and my friend was like, "Bro, we are hungry and we have to eat, and also after that we have to attend some another event. So uh, let's not watch this match, and we'll eat something. We'll have dinner, and then we'll come back to arena." So we had dinner, and I came back, and I saw the Blanca Boards team coming out of arena, like this whole open air theater. It's there in IIT. I saw them, I saw their logo and everything. I went there and I was like, "Excuse me, sir, are you from Blanca Boards?" Yeah. I've been watching you from this time. I'm big fan and everything. And sadly, I missed your match. And what worst can happen is they also lost that match. And I'm being a fanboy. I went there, I watched this, and I've been following you. I like your robots and everything. And they were so sad. So like they were like, cool, uh, we lost this match, but next time we will shoot a video with you. I was with tripod and camera and everything, and we will shoot a video with you. I was speechless. I was like, bro, I met my favorite team and they lost. My Panoti or something. Yeah, that was cool experience. I met so many like crazy people, met so many intelligent people. I improved my communication skill. Your don't matter the age. You must visit IIT Bombay Tech Fest once in your life to experience Asia's biggest tech fest. And I have decided that I will keep attending these tech fests and events. Actually, I have decided this long ago since I started. Did you got invited? No, actually, I went there as a tourist or yeah, tourist, just to watch the whole tech fest, just to experience. So we were there for 4 days. It was a lot of fun. I met some Japanese artists. We had a fun conversation with them for a long time. I couldn't record everything. I think I posted it on my story. Gendai, uh, they do the laser dance, laser master Gendai, and search research about them. It was fun. We met some, and what I saw, no one had ego. Said Gulp. I actually, uh, okay. The problem was whole IIT fest, like Mood Indigo, then this Tech Fest. They accepted so many entries, but their venues were small. Like they accepted everyone. IIT entry was, so everyone had. Suppose there are 10,000 people uh, who filled form and who got these bands, who paid for Tech Fest and everything. But the venues were not for 10,000 people. Suppose I don't know the exact number. I'm just saying that was problem. Like if you want to watch Robo Wars, you have to wait in line, and you have to get there early, as early as possible. So we waited for like 1 hour, 2 hour in line just to get in the arena, just to watch or attend the event. For that Genda, I think like laser dance, we waited in line for 1 hour, yeah, easily. And we had to sit on a floor because the seats were all filled and the auditorium was filled. So they were like, okay, guys, we have no option. You have to sit on floor. Okay, I have no problem with it. But there were hundreds of people who were outside the convocation hall. So I think that needs to be fixed. Like either don't accept everyone, accept everyone. Like I don't know what I'm trying to say. सबको मत लो bro. जिनके applications fail है उनको लो. या फिर venues बड़े करो अपने. तो जहाँ पर भी आप बड़ा करो. But apart from that, Breakfast was, I saw some robots and I have clips. What are the types? It's just simple soldering, bro. And fun fact is, we stole this. Yeah, me and my roommate, we went to. I think I told this story many times, but if you don't know, me and my roommate went for Robo Soccer event, college in our area, around like 20 feet, 20 25 kilometers away from my room. So we went there, we played, and this soldering iron was on the table from like 10 a.m. We were there for like 5 till 5 p.m. No one touched the soldering iron. We asked the organizers, is it yours? They said no. All the players said no. So my roommate was like, put it in the bag. We stole this. And it's been 2 years, I guess. 1.5 year, obviously. Uh, and it's still going good. I have never faced this any problem with this soldering iron. It has a long, really long wire. I'm always grateful for that decision. I have some clips to show you. Let me see if I can show something on live stream. Okay, let's start with day 0. Just give me a second. I will switch the scenes. Uh, okay, so this was laser show by Gendai. No, no, no. This wasn't Gendai. This was inauguration ceremony. You have ever seen inauguration ceremony where they uh, show lasers and do that all the laser things? I thought inauguration will be like some boring speeches of some main personalities of university. They had laser show as their inauguration ceremony. This was drone show. Okay, so the theme of Tech Fest Pokemon. So everything was like Pokemon. Everywhere you go, you will see some Pokemon and their details like Pokemon does and everything. And drone show was crazy. We watched it every night in the sky from day 0 to day 3. Watch this. All these are drones. Uh, they had like 1500 drones. There was a big ground, and that was their base point. One by one, had some layer type thing. Know how? they do this. That was so far from the main venue, like main arena. About the drone away, then they came the arena. It was fun to watch all. And when you see this live, that's a whole different experience. I have uploaded video of drone show. Yeah, this one was my favorite. Wait. Yeah, this one was my favorite. I have laptop. I have Asus Tab A15. This one was crazy, bro. And at the end, they did this. Robowars. This was Robowars. Then check this out. I was trying to record everything, and this was day zero. This is me trying to do vlogs.
We don't know where we are, and this campus is so big. We had no idea. We have lost. Yeah, we are doing Google Maps. So we are
This is,
using Google Maps.
yeah, it was so big, and we had no idea. We were just anywhere, like everywhere. Uh, we were using Google Maps at campus. So yeah, it was little bit like, and yeah, everyone was so chill. We go, we connected with a lot of people. We used to go, excuse me, I'm from this and that, your and so yeah, it was so cool that everyone's chill.
So we are here in IIT Bombay, and we are just roaming around the campus. It's day zero, and we got our rooms and everything at afternoon around 2 p.m. And it was so smooth. Like it wasn't like what we saw on reels. Mood, yeah, about Mood Indigo and the long lines for accommodation process. So it was all smooth for us. I don't know how, but yeah. So it's day zero, and we are going to explore this campus tonight, and let's see.
Then should we go to day one? What you saw right now was day zero. I have the folders ready, and this was our room. This is IIT Bombay hostel. We were at hostel 16B, but it was chill. We used to sleep anywhere, like 2 days in my friend's room. Yeah, these are the robo wars. What are you watching right now is the robo wars. I'm so like, I like robo wars so much, but due to some issues, like not really issues, due to lack of exposure, maybe lack of surround, I can't play right now. Like what I have observed, and according to my connections, like I have some friends who do this professionally, like they are professional players. One of my friend from some nearby college. They want first runner up in IIT Bombay category of like 30 kg, I guess. And also that you Nepal, right? So there was a team from Nepal. They was first in 30 kg category or maybe second in kg category, but they made it to news. Like they celebrated, they played so well, they celebrated, and it was a news. They went viral. Like the team from Nepal won this and that. So yeah, talk about budget. I think none of these bots costs less than 30,000. That's what I think because yeah, 30,000 I think because I have a friend. I played Robo soccer multiple times in many different colleges. Robo soccer. Uh, there were some robots with motor cost single motor cost more than like 4 5,000 rupees. Their remote costs like 6 to 7,000 rupees. So 6 to 7,000 rupees for remote. Okay, so a motor for suppose a remote for 6,000 rupees, then two custom motors, then wheels, then the whole body, then the ESCs. ESC means the thing that drives motor and battery, then your whole metal body. So it's wrong. Okay, so this was Robo Wars. Then this was day one. Day one was favorite, like my favorite day or the day where I enjoyed the most was day one. Check this out.
All the best friends. Have a great time. I know you guys will. All the best friends. Have a great time. I know you guys will.
Okay, I'm just playing random clips.
Well, here we go. It's time to go on
Isn't
for the
it
next
like
team, ladies and
exotic?
gentlemen.
I have recorded footage more than 50 GB and I have no enough space, but I don't want to delete all that. I don't know what to do, and I don't even have space on my drive. Did you meet Triggered Insan? Actually, that was different. That was e-summit event for Tech Fest. Actually, in 1 month, like in December, first was e-summit where winners like CEO of Ferrari and all these like big people, and that was e-summit where people discuss on like technology, maybe like discuss on different things. Then there was Mood Indigo. Mood Indigo similar to like they had concerts of Sidemoth, Char Diwari. If you ever heard of these guys? So yeah, Mood Indigo was fun. Then there was Tech Fest. Tech Fest was on 21 to 24. So oh, we couldn't meet Triggered Insan, but it I we saw then yeah saw DJ Lost Stories perform live. Then we did uh I forget of this. Can you tell me what it is? Just cut this wire. Is it in Mumbai? Okay, I think our hardware is ready, but how about adding some extra thing like LED, extra fun? LED, maybe we can add buzzer. Let me see what I have in my the red box. Transistors. We have these LEDs, different colored LED. I have to finish this project tonight, then record video, then I have to edit this tonight, and I have to post it before tomorrow evening. I have, let's see if I can complete. Okay, I'm thinking of adding. Okay, we forgot the main part. I have to connect this ESP32. We need more wire. I should start streaming early, 8:30 or 9 p.m. You can watch me 10:30, 11 p.m. I have become Batman. Let me check the pinouts first in my code. We are going to connect button 1 to pin. Find pin 26. At 480p. Thanks for telling. I needed this because I am trying industry of providing components. I'll reveal everything I'm working on. looking for wholesalers. And I have some contacts from Pune. Providing around me. Yeah, I'll try to get some more details. It's a Stream Deck. Ever heard about Stream Deck? Basically, it's a extension for your keyboard. When I press this button, it will reload your gun in your game. When I press this button, it will switch your weapon. When I press this button, it will, or it can be anything for like stream. When I press this button, it will switch the camera. When I press this button, it will switch the scene. When I press this button, it will do something else. So yeah, I'm working on a Stream Deck. And one part is I don't know if it's going. I'm just working on it. Let's see. I have to. I'm trying to finish. Let's see. I can. By the way, how old are you? Are you in college or school? Or you graduated working? I know you follow me. Okay, 26. Then so we had online. There are okay. Arduino, ESP, all these. Then STM32. Then ARM Cortex, and there are many. All that ARM microcontroller. 8051. Okay, ARM microprocessor and processor technology, Cortex M4. So yeah, ARM Cortex is used in industries as per. I might be wrong. STM32. I am trying to learn STM30. Find it little bit, but they say STM32 can do little bit industry ready if STM32 properly detailed and complicated. I want so you all controller smaller ones. Then In this family, ESP family, there is ESP 826 Wemos D1 Mini are microcontrollers from Seed Studio, which are smaller and they are proper micro. Of them have cameras. There are a lot of options. You can use 80 tiny 80 for small application sensor expensive. Okay, then Wemos D1 Mini and buy it from RoboCraze doing pre-promotion will cost around 150 170 rupees. How about this? Check this out. Oh bro, I should have used this instead of ESP30. Bluetooth in it. So yeah, this is Wemos D1 Mini and this is the cheapest one. You want to build something with ESP and you don't need a lot of pins. You're okay with 6 7 pins, one analog pin. Like you get 8 pins, 9 pins, D0 to D8. You get 9 input output pins, GPIO pins, one one analog pin, RxTx, 3 volt power output and 5 volt power input and ground. You want to build something tiny, right choice. It costs very. I have used very tiny. There are a lot of micro smaller than this one. I like this one. Cool. It's cheap. Has so many pins. You can do so many 9 pins. Made a rover where I controlled everything. And you still have 3 more pins. You can use them. You can add some sensor analog. नाही आपण अजून एक कोणी रँडम मी आज इन 2 आणि लाईव्ह स्ट्रीम करतोय. मी इन्स्टावर पोस्ट करणार होतो पण थोडं नर्वस असते म्हणजे लाईव्ह स्ट्रीम करायच्या आधी की इन्स्टावर आता माझे फॉलोअर्स आहेत 6000 प्लस. आता जर पोस्ट केलं त्या 6000 मधली 50 लोक जरी बघायला तरी पण ते म्हणजे असं हे होते 50 लोक बघायला आपल्याला आधी जरा प्रिपेअर राहायला लागते. आज मी रँडमली उठलो आणि लाईव्ह आलो आज लाईव्ह बिकॉज I have to start somewhere. Are you in college? Oh, epic. Work on this thing. But why not just go live? I'm going to work on this thing Why not just like I have Wi-Fi? Started working on this. Live. I'm just for graduation. Once I graduate, do this 24 by 7. Right now, it's just start of this. I'm live. In a month, again, preparing for some test, completing my assignments. I might be in some event like Bollywood day, traditional. Okay, I need to polish my soldering skills. I'm losing it. I've connected 3 buttons and have 2 buttons more. My usual follow. My usual 10-15 people, including you. चाललाय सा चाललाय सा I am live. Hoy. I am working on this stream deck. Deck is like पाहुणे आणि पोस्ट करायला नाही पोस्ट करायला पाहिजे इंस्टा दाबा my roommates are here. जाईत म्हाता वृद्धाश्रम ऐकलं तर ऐकू देत काल पाहिजे इंजिनियर from overnight projects trying to build something of his own and what you guys do, you ask him for attendance, call his parents, he's writing paper of 30. What do you do? Give him only 6 and 7. So this right here. अरे बदल काय होत नाही. अरे दोघं तिघं बघायलात बदल कपडे. आपण मी काय करत नाही ते तसंच राहते. हा तू व्हायरल आणि लेवर छान होणार. मला ते पाहिजे. मला असं पाहिजे की मला असं पाहिजे ते व्हायरल जोडते ती जोडावली. सुयश वायर जोडाल. म्हणजे विषय काय माहिती आहे वायऱ्या जोडणं काही तो झालाय म्हणून बघाली tutorial. अरे कोल्हापूरचा आहे रे मी. झाले तुमचं ओके. पहा ऐसे ही बगी फ्रॉम और कॉलेज ब्लॉग सून. एक प्रॉपर ब्लॉग तयार करतो कॉलेजमध्ये. संचित वेअर आर यू फ्रॉम. एवढा येत नाही सर. जरासा आहे ना वाढवला की वायर चुकी वायर जोडली. हे जम्पर सारखी बोल. काय okay. I have connected all the buttons, like connected all the wires and everything. Mm, now it all comes to coding part. I have a code ready from my favorite best friend, ChatGPT, and I haven't tested it. Let's see. Mm. Okay, first of all, I need some suggestions from you guys. I have made this Steam Deck. I have added a display. What should I put here? Like, okay, I plugged it in, I turned it on. What should we see here? Like, if I'm selling this, there is user, like my user, I sell him this, and he turns it on. What should be the first thing to display? And what's the use of display here? Because I never like, I'm just building it for fun. Like, I might use this for my live streams. Yeah, that's the main motive. I'll use this for my live streams. Right now I have only 5 buttons, so I used 5. Wait, what should we display? OLED. We have 5 buttons. Right now what I'm do is I'll just add random buttons here. Like if I press this, it will be like WASD. This can be WASD. W. It will be keyboard. I want it to stream deck. Hmm. Combo is elite. Hey gang, we need something to display here. Okay, I'll start with company. Company. Start, stop, stream video. Pong with 2 button pins up and down. Thanks for suggestions. Tell me about display. Okay, I turn it on, I plug it on, and the first thing will be company buzzer. I think I buzzer. I'll just I have blue one, green one, red one. परत कशाला? What do you mean? आज परत कशाला? Okay. Okay, I'll add this display here. Then I will add one more. No, it doesn't look good. Need to increase the distance between them. Let's try this LED on with. I have seen so many times. I have experienced this. Uh, hold LEDs one leg and touch it to soldering iron or some high voltage coil like thing. It will turn on, like you will see a small light in LED. Bro, like traffic like traffic signal. And if I add um, uh, LEDs, what should be the use of these LEDs? Like I understand for decoration, still there should be something crazy with these LEDs. तर माझा project राहिला. uh Tell us more about your project. Working on some. If you work on something, field projects, why don't you share somewhere on Instructables or anywhere? Okay, Instructable से याद आया. I should start posting on Instructable. Addy, bro, how are you? Time no see. Status LED. Okay, status LED. What status are we going to show? Smart macro tools. Wait, first of all, let's watch some videos of other stream decks. How do they work? Switch off my soldering iron. Switch off. I need to plug it off. Okay, so this is stream deck.
Check this thing out, give you some thoughts, or
I say I was going through a bad phase of my life. Fifth sem. Yeah, and I can never forget this semester. I don't have any photos to show you right now how fucked up was fifth sem. But right now I'm in sixth sem and it's going to be even more worse than last previous sem. I think my roommate he got Sagar Sagar Defense. It's some startup, I think, a new defense sector department. He got placement. I don't think. Audio issue. I hope you guys can hear me right now. It's not audio issue. My mic has very small capture area. Like if I speak, make a disk assistant with. Okay, so you are going to modify a clock into disk assistant with ESP32. And what features are going to be in that disk assistant? Thought of this, like what cool things you can add in your project. We can do status here and show like OLED होगा Gemini AI. Okay, Gemini nice project. हाँ मतलब sounds cool. Go with it, bro. uh cool animation हो. Hmm. The problem with animations I have faced is you can do cool animations, but problem is it takes a lot of memory, it takes a lot of storage, and you have to enable your PS RAM, like the memories inside your micro. I got to know this when I started building this thing. I wasn't aware about all that memory thing. Like you get to use only 80 KB, I guess. Yeah, you get to use only 80 KB out of how much? 4 MB. To access that 4 MB, you have to do some extra steps. You have to take some extra steps. Okay, I'm not sure how to explain this, but I wasn't aware about all that. When I started building this thing, Zozo, I got to know. And yeah, I have used Wemos D1 Mini SD card or some flash memory. Yeah, I was also thinking about SD card, but uh, was SD card. Problem with SD card was uh, it wasn't cost effective. I was trying to build this in cheapest minimal cost. So let's try turning this. I tried to make some animations. Again, it was hard for me to create animation. I just went with coding. Like there are proper tutorials how to create animations in this thing. Take this out. I want to turn this into product. Wait, I'll show what I have here. I wanted to turn this into product because I have added some extra features that no one has in their desktop bot. I think I have explained it everything in my reel. Like let me show you something. It's not that cool. Okay, this is Kakashi. Then this is Chio-chan. So the main features are like not that cool, but they were my original ideas. Like there are hundreds and thousands of mini desktop bots with cool animations and sounds, but I added some was to pair with it smartphone with Bluetooth like smartwatch. Okay, so right now what I did is I have Telegram here and I can send messages. So this was made for couples, obviously. Imagine imagine you have a girlfriend, so you give her this thing, it's on her table, and you message her, send some random GIFs, like I'm sending her Hello Kitty. Wait, let me show you Hello Kitty. Okay, so Hello Kitty, I have created some animations, and it was my first time doing this everything. I spent like a week working on this. Okay, this is Love Rain. It goes on for like 10 to 15 seconds. Sad part, there is a tragic story behind this thing. I hope no one is watching me. Any girls? Actually, yeah, as I said, there is try. Okay, it shows time also, 1 6 seconds also, but it's not that like synchronous. Okay, so the tragic story. Okay, I'm not telling the tragic story, but just know that I built this in some like what we call that. What we call that arc. Yeah, I was in some arc and I got this idea. Actually, I had this idea for so long, but at that moment, I was like, okay, this is the right time to use my skills. Let's build this thing. I made this. Everything went well, but some fuck ups happened. Source code. I haven't posted it anywhere, but I'll give you. Message me on Instagram. I can't give you the exact code because I'm trying to convert it into uh, product. Like you can see, are you Wi-Fi? Cause I'm filling up. I have added some. I hope you guys can read this. I added some pickup lines, and it was like cute thing when I built this for the first time. I know it's not like perfect. Want me to help? Yeah, sure. But when I built this, I was like, damn. I lack so many skills. I lack a lot of skills, but I get the ideas. Like yeah, that's what I think. फॉन्ट थोड़ा या फॉन्ट मतलब डिफ़ॉल्ट फॉन्ट है जो भी अभी है ये डिफ़ॉल्ट फॉन्ट था एंड ये स्टार्स का एनिमेशन देखो अभी स्टार्स चेरी फॉल्स I lack a lot of skills and I accept it like I'm not a tutorial guy. I'm not like proper professional engineer who does this and that professionally. I use all when you make something yourself. Yeah. Which MC you used? Same one which I showed you some time ago. Wemos T1 Mini. Okay, I added some. Actually, I if I spend more time on this, I can build this like properly. The base idea was imagine you have a girlfriend, you are a couple, this is on your desk, there's similar one on her desk, and they are both connected on some web server. No need to sorry, bro. It's just midnight. You're here. Grateful for that. So yeah, the idea was there are two people like couple. They have their own, and these bots are connected to each other, not through Telegram, not like smartphone. They are connected together, single forever, same. And their bots are interacting with each other, not smartphones. They are not sending messages. Yes, they can. They have the ability to send messages through like some website or anything I built. Okay, you just missed the animation where this guy sleeps. He was sad, then these are sleepy eyes. Okay, so their bots are connected to each other and they are communicating. I stopped working on that. I don't know where the fuck I was busy, but I want to start working on this again. Like two bots are communicating. Okay, again you missed the animation, I guess. And I'm I'm equipping this like I'm adding so many मध्ये इमोशन आणि थोडं सायलेंट मध्ये नको बोलू ॲक्च्युली सायलेंटमध्ये म्हणजे रात्र झाल्या ना, तर साईडला माझ्या खिडक्या आहे. त्या खिडक्या पलीकडे अजून एक फ्लॅट आहे. त्यामध्ये लोक राहतात. माझ्या ह्या अजून एक फॅमिली. आणि ह्या भिंतीच्या पलीकडे माझे रूममेट्स झोपल्यात. सो आय हॅव नो ऑप्शन दॅन टेकिंग लाईटली. Actually, I think you haven't seen my old streams. I used to do at 9 p.m. My roommates, we used to have fun, and we used to scream and everything. We were not making any sense, but it was fun. We were just doing this for fun. Okay, so the idea is this. Okay, uh, Art made this for someone, but sadly, there is no story for this. Okay, I been been more than 142. I think that is enough. Day previous recently finished. I need to do some code. I need to get some. Then I will upload, and I will finish it by tomorrow morning. Today morning. So yeah, bye bye. That is for today. Thanks for showing. M. Use ESP32. My companion box. I can, but increase the size. Bros and see if you haven't elaborated or told me about that. What do you do? Like, are you in college? S3 mini, not. If you guys find any links related to ESP32, S2, or S3, please let me know, because ESP32, S2, and S3 has HID support. What does the HID support do? HID support will help me to just press this button and press the key on my laptop without any Python script running on my VS Code. So I'll just press this button and it will directly send the like key command uh, without Python script. So yeah, please, if you find some cheap ESP32 S2 or S3 with HID support, obviously, please let me know. Okay, so that is it for today. Bye bye. Bye. I'm also sleepy. I haven't slept. Oh, okay. We are waiting 27 seconds. I'll cut this stream at sharp 1:45, 1 hour and 45 minutes. Till then, yeah, I need to sales batteries of this sword. Okay, 4, 2, end.